Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot, and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 9th of June to 13th of June. So it's just a 5 days market move on gold now in the coming week. So this is technical analysis, and I'll be doing the top-down analysis from monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where now I provide those key entry levels for the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the 4-hour time frame. So in this analysis, I'll be pointing out the levels of support and resistance. As you see, the trend lines are here. Then I'll be reading the candles and the candlestick patterns, and also I'll be counting the waves, the elliott waves. So under confluence of all these factors, I'll be able to provide the possible market move in the coming week and the key entry levels. So make sure that you do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, so that you'll be having confidence on the probable direction on gold. So actually I'm in a monthly time frame, and in the monthly time frame actually we see everything is looking very clear. Everything is clear, and the wave counts are seen, and basically we are looking for the possible fourth wave to the downside. So that is the overall picture of what we are expecting in monthly time frame. But going more specific, we can see now the candles now 3 months ago, actually we have seen rejections at this level at the trend line. So in most cases we can expect now this reaction can hold it true, and price on gold can reverse to the downside. So it's just a short-term reversal in formation of the fourth wave, so that is most likely going to happen. And now the previous monthly candle, as usual, the indecision, this monthly candle just it is not completed now, because we still have 23 days for this candle to close, so we cannot conclude on its formation. But all in all, we are playing at a very key level, and we are most likely to reverse to the downside in formation of the fourth wave. Then straightforward in weekly time frame, let us see what is exactly happening. Yes, actually in a weekly time frame, and in weekly time frame we see it is like a sort of sideways movement now for several weeks. It is a sort of range for several weeks back, so price is going to open in any direction, maybe to the upside or to the downside once this range is completed. But actually price has been ranging, and now we see this weekly candle has beautifully closed with the rejection from the upside. And actually with this rejection, so we may expect now sellers are very strong at this level. So the next candle, in most cases, it is most likely to be another, it's going to be a bearish candle. So that's the overall projection on what is happening in weekly time frame. And why I'm looking for the next bearish candle, because we see we had this evening star. So now the bearish movement is highly supported with this one, because it is a reversal pattern. So with this formation, so we may expect the price is not going to move above this. So once price goes above this historical high, that is a different story, and it will be now violating this formation. So in most cases we expect further push to the downside in the coming week. Okay, then straightforward in daily time frame. Yes, daily time frame has got a lot of things, but yeah, there are a few things to highlight here, but there are many things. I'll talk about the key ones. So basically we see it is a sideways move, and the overall picture is just a 3-wave move to the downside, followed by 3-wave move to the upside. Okay, currently we are pushing down. So what will be the formation in this downward move? That is the question. But actually what we have to expect here is price might be forming 3-wave down, 3 up. So price might be forming a flat. So in most cases, if this is going to be a flat, we may expect a 5-wave move to the downside in this current move. So we may expect the price is going to form a bigger 5-wave move to the downside if this is going to be a flat. But with the current information, this can also be a triangle. So if it's going to be a triangle, so price is going to form a 3-wave move down in wave C, then a 3 to the upside, then we'll be having another 3-wave to the downside in wave E, and finally price will continue now straight to the upside now. So after completion of wave E, price will continue straight to the upside. So this is also possible. So price can be forming a flat or a triangle. But now this is just a very bigger picture. For next week, we are not going to concentrate with all these moves. Specifically, we'll be looking for things happening here. We see price was trading above this level now 3 days consecutively. Then on Friday, price broke below. Okay, so this is very beautiful move, because it has opened a way where we will be now looking for the next level of support here. So price is expected to push further to this level of support now, a 32.77 around this level, or 32.80. I can say it may be 32.80. So price is expected to push to this level down here. But since price broke this level, we may expect a retest before price touches this level down here. So this provides a projection on which direction we are going to hold now in the coming week. And now going to the final time frame now, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so in 4-hour time frame, we see more details of the market move. There are a lot of drawings and lines. I mean the lines and wave counts. Okay, but going more specifically, we can see price is trending to the downside. On Friday, prices started to trend to the downside, and that's very beautiful. And also price completed the push to the upside with the possible diagonal at this level, an ending diagonal. So that's a clear indicator that we are currently looking down. Okay, so with the current market formation to the downside, we are going to have a possible market entries now in the coming week. Okay, so now how are you going to trade next week? So next week you'll be watching for possible sideways move right at this area in formation of the 4th wave. Then after this, now we'll be watching for sell opportunities. Sell opportunities, and this will be short-term sell opportunities to around 32.80. After this, price is expected to have a bigger correction to the upside, roughly to around 36.60 something there, maybe 60, 33.60 maybe. Then after this correction, a bigger push to the downside is going to happen. So the overall concept is now watch for possible sell opportunities after every correction. So that is the overall picture for the coming week. Updates will be provided, so make sure that you visit www.asamforex.com for updates, and make sure that you look on the daily updates, because it's where every opportunity is provided. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.